Good evening, boys and girls. It's Jose, and welcome to the Proving Grounds. Well, this is going to be pretty brief. We're going to have a moment here in the scripting lab. We're going to be going over a simple question that we're going to be dealing with in the command prompt. And the question is how to list and count the contents of a directory in CMD. Now, for that, I'm going to bring up this window here. I am remoted into a Windows Enterprise machine here. And for the purpose of this experiment, we are going to not only open up command prompt, we are going to open it up as an administrator. Yes, and yes. Now, it's going to be fairly simple. The script is rather annoying, but it's also, I don't know, it's very nostalgic. I remember using dir just in order to be able to get the contents of any directory. That's basically what it is, but apparently you can do more with it. So we're going to start with dir space. We're going to do a /a colon -d. Now I did some reading and I don't really have the best understanding of this, but I believe that the /a colon might have to do with picking a directory. I believe the directory would probably be listed prior to that slash, but that -d would signify not folder. So the primary folder is not the main folder where we're going to be targeting our way through, as I'm understanding this. But there's a little bit more to the script than just that. We're going to do a space, another slash, and then S. And that's normally indicating some kind of subfolder. And then another space, another slash, and this time it's B. And this will return the list of file names. So hopefully we got what we need here, but we're not quite yet. We got to also give it a path. So we're going to go quotes C colon, and from there, let's see, we're going to go into users, public, and then we're going to close that up. And then we're going to do a pipe, and we are going to find C. And we're going to do this by pointing out the colon within the quotes. Now here we go. If I do this right, you are going to see the count of how many items are actually in the public directory at this time. 12 items. That's fairly simple, and I can't really do too much more with that except maybe look around, see if there's another directory I want to find some more information about. So let's open up the File Explorer and let's pick another directory or another path. Let's see here. We're going to go into the C drive. Let's say we want to look into C program files x86. Let's take a look at that. So hit the up arrow to bring everything back, and we're going to make some changes. And let's see, not that one. Make it a little bit easier for me to read. So from there, let's go program space files parentheses x86, close it, and then we have the line there. Now let's go find it. Will it give me a count? Did I mess something up? Let's try it again this time. How about just do program files? 606 items. So I'm not exactly sure why that directory was being problematic. It's probably that it didn't accept the parentheses in the quote, within the quotes. I'm not quite sure. I'm not going to investigate it right now, but I just finished giving you two examples of how to actually run that little script, choose your path, and then get a count of what's going on. If you were running some kind of web scraper where you actually need to pull out a quick count of what was actually in there, then that's all that was needed. So with that, I'll let you go.